Everyone says you're amazing. Say you don't know how to do it now, so you run. It's not that you're bleeding, but you're through it now, so you run, so you run. I know that you need it, you can't live alone, so you run, so you run. Everyone says you're amazing now that you're clean. Only you know who the real ones are, 'cause you see. There's only one question I want to ask, is it healing when you hear everyone say you're amazing? Does anyone ask you, do you cry in your sleep? And do you feel okay when you run? Thinking it's doomsday, you got to let it